Did you know that every Onam, King Mahabali, walks among us, but no one recognizes him? The beloved demon king was granted one day each year to visit his people. But here's the heartbreaking truth. He comes back to a world that has forgotten him. Folklorists have documented something strange. An elderly man appears at Onam feasts across Kerala. His eyes carry ancient sadness. He blesses families with trembling hands, then vanishes without a trace. This is Mahabali's curse. Not just exile, but eternal loneliness. He watches his kingdom change, century after century, while he remains frozen in time, unable to reveal himself, unable to embrace his people. Modern families report the same figure, standing at the edge of celebrations, tears streaming down weathered cheeks, a king watching his subjects from the shadows, forever. So this Onam, when you see an old man at your feast, look into his eyes. You might be staring at the face of your beloved Mahabali, still loving you, still protecting you, still heartbroken,